You and your team and David Rennie have been nurturing entrepreneurs as well as part of the ecosystem.
Yep.
Do you want to just touch on that briefly? Because not everybody will be aware of that investment you've been making.
Yeah, we have. So we invest in the Open Identity Exchange and participate in a range of projects that, as I mentioned, our providers actually range from very large global corporates to quite small companies. So Digidentity is a small company from Holland that's working in this exact same space and competing with Barclays, Royal Mail, Post Office. What we're really interested in terms of entrepreneurship is not only inside those organisations, but the secondary market of providers into those organisations and secondary industries like face-to-face verification and how on the demand side those things can be consumed. So through Open Identity Exchange, we're working with a range of people to communicate what we're looking for, but also understand what they need and see how we can help.